Hey everybody, Chris here. Well, the price of Dogecoin and most all cryptos have crashed overnight. Prices down 6 to 8 to 10%. And that was not unexpected. If you've been watching me over the past month, a month and a half, I've been calling for this dip. Had it on my live streams, and so if you've been watching, you knew this was probably going to come, and sure enough, it did. Now, I'm not a guru by any means, but the economic conditions were such that this rally that we just saw was truly a bear market rally, and it was meant to retrace back down, and we just had that. Again, if you're new to me, this is just my outlook. I would love to make more videos of big bull runs because it's just those videos get 2 to 3 times more views than videos where I'm asking what you think when it's going sideways, whether it's going to go up or down, or videos like this where we are in the red. I also back that up by my actions. And I've been telling you guys for the past month and a half, I've got cash ready to buy, and I'm not buying crypto. I have it sitting on the sidelines. Not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing. And by my actions, they back up what I say in my videos. And I'm still sitting on the sidelines, even with the dip as we have now. What we say when there's blood in the markets, that's when wealth is made. For those that were buying Dogecoin up at 7, 8 cents because you thought you were missing out on the rally, well, I think in the long run, you'll probably be okay. But in the short term, you're now down on those purchases. And if you just would have waited a little bit, you'd be getting more Dogecoin at a lower price. It's funny because more people buy cryptos in big bull runs. Like, you'll be buying so much more Bitcoin at 40,000 than you would be buying at 20,000. But it's sort of that psychology of markets in the red, bear markets, I'm not buying. But bull markets, especially when prices are much higher, everybody's getting on board and they're buying. But you're buying at higher prices. That's not when wealth is made. That's when you make little gains. The big gains are when you pounce when the markets are down. That's when you buy, and then you can reap the rewards later. That's just how markets work. Let's take a look at the charts. All as bloody as it is, we'll look at the charts and some of the news, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So here's Dogecoin trading right now in the 30 minutes at 6.8 cents. And here was the inflection point. I was looking at it and almost hit it right on. And just to look at that, I'm going to zoom out to the 4-hour. And on the 4-hour, this is what we were looking at. I was looking at right around the middle of August, there was going to be a dip, and my target was 6.6 cents. And that's what I've been talking about in my live streams. You can go back and you can watch those. They're all on my channel, and you can see this is what I was predicting, and here it is. So, it is what it is. This was a typical bear market rally that was going to be short-lived. So for those that were able to sell up in the 8s, you now have a buying opportunity to buy back in lower. That's just how the swing trading works. But it wasn't just Dogecoin. There's Bitcoin. Bitcoin I was already tracking down. If you watched my video yesterday where I was talking about where the market's going to go from here. They're going to go up or they're going to go down. And I was saying it looks like they're going to go down. And sure enough, that's what we had. And this is what Bitcoin goes. And Bitcoin even dropped below this blue line here that I had as sort of this rising support line that I thought overall from back in June as Bitcoin was seeing higher lows, that when Bitcoin dropped again, it would stay above that blue line. It didn't. It went even lower. To me, that points to bad things coming in the future, unfortunately. And on the 4-hour chart, we have the RSI all the way down here to 20, below 20 now. That is signaling a true bear market. We are still in the bear market. This rise from the middle of June is now most likely going to drop back down, and we're going to see this liquidation continue. So that's what the charts look like. Why is the cryptocurrency market crashing today? Just when investors thought that the markets were in recovery mode, the markets gave out a reality check. The cryptocurrency market is crashing today as leading cryptos are down double digits. There's still fear and panic as most cryptos shed the gains they generated last week and probably for the last month. And I think it's going to continue. The crypto markets have continually been trading 1 step forward and 2 steps back in 2022, and today's crash is no different. Here's Cointelegraph. Crypto market bloodbath leads to over $500 million in liquidations in 24 hours. So, crypto market registered a major slump on Friday, major cryptocurrency losing key support, falling to new monthly lows after the prolonged bullish surge we had in the past month. So that's what we saw. And the flash crash after weeks of bullish momentum also saw 157,000 traders getting liquidated in the past 24 hours. Liquidations of over $550 million. Here's Finbold. $70 billion leaves the crypto market in a day as Bitcoin fails to sustain bullish momentum. So the selling pressure that we witnessed just has pushed all of this down as profit taking. A lot of it was as soon as the prices started coming down, we saw that profit taking, and that profit taking was really huge. And what we saw was the prices responding by dropping down, and that could continue. Bitcoin and Ethereum hit as crypto market endures sell-off. And it wasn't just the top 2 cryptocurrencies, it was pretty much all of them. But this is what we saw, was just this the big drop, because all of a sudden we saw the dumping. And most of that, I think, again, is the Asian markets, because they're the ones who really control some sort of the big buying and selling in that happens at large blocks in a short period of time, and that is what we saw. And here on the Dogecoin Daily on Benzinga, price in the red. So this is the 24-hour trading volume. Actually, the trading volume was still down while the price was going down as well. It wasn't this huge, more trading volume going on. Strong dollar, weak cryptos. This is interesting. Major coins, including Doge, declined as the dollar index, a measure of, this is the United States dollar strength against 6 of its international peers, shot up. Cryptocurrency trader Justin Bennett said that the dollar index stood at 107 on Thursday evening, could shoot up to as high as 120 over the next few months. The strong dollar means risk assets are down, like cryptocurrency. So if you follow the DXY, we're going to be watching whether that continues up over 110, which is typically bad news for crypto trading. What I can say, though, is on CoinMarketCap, despite everything being in the red, the global crypto market cap probably will drop back below $1 trillion. Dogecoin, still the 10th cryptocurrency. It's still holding fine despite this big drop in the red, but we see this across the board. Now, what I said was, when we see the cryptocurrencies going down, typically Doge falls at a faster rate than Bitcoin and Dogecoin or Ethereum. And if
listening to me, you've heard me say that. Over the past 24 hours, Doge is down 14.8%, Bitcoin down 8.7%, Ethereum down 8.2%, BNB 8.6%, XRP 10%. So this is what we see. Doge drops at a higher rate faster when we have these price corrections. And that's what this is. This is a price correction. We had overbought conditions with this fake bull run that we saw, and this is that correction. That's what we see in the markets. So Dogecoin, again, big drop happening, and right now going to be fighting the support. Is it going to make it to 6.6? I think so. That was my target. Not quite there yet, but close at 6.7. Close enough for a month and a half away of looking at this. But yeah, tough day in the markets.
So where does Dogecoin and cryptos go from here? We still have these same economic conditions going on. We still have high inflation. In the United States, it seems to be ticking down a little bit, but around the world, we're seeing it actually go up, particularly with energy crisis that seems to be happening. Europe, the UK, that's a big challenge. We still have interest rates that are still going to be going up again. We're talking about 50 basis points in September, like it's no big deal. But 50 basis points, that's still a big deal, even though we're trying to temper like the huge increases that we've seen before, but it's still not good. We still have a war going on. We still have supply chain issues. We still have a pandemic going on. All of this just leads to there not being a bull market rally in cryptos, and it's not going to happen for a long time. So this is when swing traders make money, because they can see these things go on this little bull rally, and then when the prices are up, you sell and you wait for the prices to drop down. There's always a risk in that, but in these economic conditions, how much risk really is that? Let me know in the comments below what you think about bull market rallies and big price crashes and dips as we're seeing now. Give the video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And also watch my live streams. I'll be live streaming Monday nights and Friday nights, and we can interact. What's going on live with the charts, talking about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, altcoins, whatever you want to talk about. We'll see you next time.